Hi, my name is Ed Surgeon, your library director at the Gunnery Tisch Family Library. Today we're going to take a look at myHistro, which is a social storytelling app that you can use either individually or collaboratively with your classmates. In myHistro, you can create multimedia stories by combining Google Earth and maps into timelines with text, images, and video. You can begin making events and building timelines almost immediately and then share them via social media, blogs, and websites. To access myHistro, go online on your laptop to worldwideweb.myhistro.com, or on an iPhone or iPad you can download the app from Apple's App Store, and then you will log in or sign up for the app. First, let's look at an existing story to understand how to navigate around myHistro. You'll notice a title, a description, a large map, and a small map. The events are mapped out, and you can see those on the timeline. We can grab the timeline and then go to individual events, or we can play like an automated slideshow, or we can click on the events themselves and see the events in a chronological list. We can open up an event either from the list or coming back from the map. And once we have an event open, we can access the pictures and videos associated with it. We can add comments to a particular event or to the entire story, and then we can share via a wide variety of social media options. To begin creating your own stories in myHistro, first log in or sign up. You'll come to a sign-up page. You can create a new account, or you can use your own social media accounts as your login. In this case, I'll use Google. I can click on my account, and it will bring me in and create my dashboard. From the dashboard, we're ready to create our first event. We'll give the event a name, my birthday. We'll choose the correct date. And we'll add some text. We can also add images or video. In this case, I'll browse my computer to find some images and choose 3. So now we've added images. We can also change the map to reflect the correct location. And there we found my hometown of Joliet, Illinois. We click on Done, and we've created our event. Now we're ready to create our first story, and we'll click on the Story tab in the dashboard. Click on Create Your First Story. We're going to give this a name. My Road to the Gunnery, and a one-liner description will be Becoming Library Director. We'll add a picture. In this case, we're going to add a faculty picture of myself. And now it's important to note that we can add co-authors to our story. This is where you can team up with a classmate, a group of classmates, or even your entire class to work on a story timeline together. You can contribute to it, you can comment, you can edit, and it's a really great collaborative way to work on and build a timeline. In this case, however, I'm the single author, so we'll move on, and now we're going to manage the story by adding events. You'll notice in addition to my birthday that we created earlier, I've got a bunch of other events that I've put together, and now to add these to the story is as easy as dragging and dropping. I add the events that I want to be included in the story. And it's important to note that any event you create, you can use in multiple timelines or stories, so you're not restricted to just one use. We save our story, and now we've put this together. You'll see the title, My Road to the Gunnery, the subtitle, Becoming Library Director. We see that we've got 8 events here, and if we click on the events, you'll see that chronological list. We can also slide along our timeline, and we'll move forward to some recent events. We can click on any one of these, and it will take us to the location. It will show us the event. Again, we can go in, we'll see the description, the associated media that's with it, and there's always that ability for our viewers, our readers, to be able to leave comments, share comments, and have those posted on social media. Having built our timeline, we can now share it via social media. We can also export it via a variety of options, and we can also embed it into a blog or website. That's it for today's tutorial. Now it's your turn to have some fun building your first myHistro timeline or story. Remember, anytime that you need help, please come see me in the library. I'm happy to be of assistance.